Hello designers! Welcome back to Kavucreative. In this lesson, we are making a simple geometric logo. We will use Adobe Illustrator. Don't worry, this process is simple. Just follow my steps carefully. Let's start. Double-click on the Artboard tool. In Artboard Options, check Show Center Mark in the Display section. Click OK. We only need the stroke, so turn off the fill. Select the rectangular grid tool from the toolbar. Hold the Alt key, then left-click on the center mark. Set both the width and height to 300 pixels. Now set both the horizontal and vertical dividers to 9. Press OK. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Use the Shift key while drawing to maintain straight lines. Press and hold Ctrl. Then click outside the artwork to end the path. Finish the line by connecting the 2 points. Select All and select the Shape Builder tool. This tool helps you combine and remove shapes easily. First, swap the stroke to fill. Move your cursor over the shapes. You will see a plus icon. The plus icon means the shapes will join together. Click and drag to merge the parts you want. Hold the Alt key to remove extra parts. When removing shapes, a minus icon will appear. Right-click and select Ungroup. Now select All. Hold Shift and click on the area we want. Then, press Delete key to remove unwanted objects. Select All. Go to Transform panel and decrease its size to 180 pixels. Hold Shift and put it on the cross. Change its color by using the eyedropper tool. By holding the Control key, the eyedropper temporarily switches to the Selection tool. Now, select everything. Select the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center. Enter an angle as 90 degrees and click Copy. Press Ctrl plus D 2 times to duplicate it. Now select everything again. Go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Check both Fill and Stroke, then click OK. Open the Pathfinder panel and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click the white outline. Then press the delete key to remove it. Excellent work! It looks good. If you found this helpful, please like the video. Subscribe to Kavucreative for more tutorials. Stay consistent. Practice makes progress. Thanks for watching.